Hello, everyone. I prepared some really good content for the next 10 minutes, but I need your help. I need you to bring a lot of energy here. Can I get some energy? Yes, awesome, thanks. So, we launched our product 2 months ago. Let's see here what's going on. I can see the Slush logo, it's great. I'm praying to the slide gods, as we say, when you're not doing a live demo. Can I have it? It's good, okay. We launched this product 2 months ago, and the user growth has been really good. More interestingly, what you can see here is the number of people that like the product so much they get hooked and start paying. So that's 1,500 in 2 months. But we're going to kill this product thanks to a technical breakthrough. I'll share more about that. But first, I want a raise of hands. How many people here are technical enough so that you can build a full stack web application, a full stack product? Raise of hands. That's actually quite a lot of people. Not so many. And it's even worse out in the normal world. Less than 1% of the population can code. But I have some good news. So meet Harry. Harry used to be a designer. And he was an early user of our beta access when a person he knew came to him and were very frustrated since their normal software development agency were quoting them $120,000 for 2 months of work to build a customer portal, their customer portal. Harry was like, maybe I can use this new AI to throw something together in less than 1 day. And he built this prototype. He showed it to this person who had been quoted 120,000, and afterwards Harry sent a screenshot from the Slack message from his friend. And from this, Harry has went on to not only build this out and get money from that project, but he has launched a full AI startup, and he recently messaged me, we have changed his life with what we're building. So that's really inspiring to us. I'll take another person. Henrik, he's a first-year computer science student. He's doing something on Twitter where he's going viral. He's building one app, a full app per day. He's churning these ones out in less than 1 hour, and it's all kinds of things. Here he's doing an educational thing about the solar system, real SaaS products, beautiful landing pages, and the ChatGPT itself based on an API. So the takeaway is that we're entering a new era where anyone is going to be able to build much faster without writing code. And I'll take one more example of someone that I really like. So this from the younger generation who is going to become really empowered by this. So this is Isaac. He's young, he's on TikTok, right? And he is showcasing where he's super late on a project.
You forgot about the client.
And there's emailing him and saying like, we need this today. And here's a demo of him using our previous products to build the fitness community app that the client is using for. With the audio, this is even more fun. I think he got 500,000, 1 million views on building this one. We have tested, as I said, in beta our product, and we're not only getting a lot of users, building more than 1,000 products per day now, but users love this product. So today, for the first time ever, I'm introducing, in open access, what we call Lovable Studio. 1 second. This one is not doing it for me.
Even British like plastic wrap, that's me. That's me.
this is something that you might think, aren't a lot of people doing this? Why isn't this already been solved? What's unique about us? And as I mentioned, we have done a technical breakthrough. The thesis is simple. You should be able to create software with English instead of writing code. But the problem that people have been struggling with for a year, and us too, is that if you're building with AI, those of you who have done it, they know that when your project gets complex, the AI gets stuck. And you're seeing this German guy sweating, talking to an AI who's trying to do what he's asking for. What we have found a way to do is to identify all the places where AI gets stuck building software and painstakingly teach the AI how to get around those bottlenecks. So that means that how far we have gotten today is that by just asking in plain English, you can conceptualize and design applications, do something that was very time-consuming before, which is to make interactive interfaces from the designs. And now, what we're launching today is connecting backend functionality. I'll explain exactly what that means soon, but what we're saying is that for most people, this is 95% of the value that you get from software. So we have gotten to a significant milestone here. And we're seeing users from a lot of different places. If you identify with any of these people, I think Lovable is something that accelerates your work today. Product teams use us to much more clearly conceptualize new ideas and validate them with users. Well, founders and solopreneurs iterate towards product market fit more than 10 times faster. And designers and software engineers, they build entire front end and applications in minutes. I'm going to go through a bit more concretely what our product does. By just asking in English, you get something beautiful, and you can very quickly iterate and edit what you're building. In many cases faster than with an absolutely expert software engineer. The AI helps fix bugs in your code, and when you're done, you click one button and then you have it live. More interestingly, you can now add user authentication, storing data, even calling external APIs like your own backend, or Stripe for payments, Twilio for sending out emails, or being able to build AI applications by just calling OpenAI in the application that you build. Needless to say, I think we are all standing in front of a generational shift here in how companies are built, especially tech companies. And what our goal is at Lovable is especially to accelerate Europe towards disrupting the industry by just shipping much, much faster. And I'm going to talk more about that later today. But I think if you think this sounds interesting to you, I have something to give out. And if you've been on your phones, now is the right time to use them for something useful. Here's a link. You can share that in message groups with your friends. And the first 200 people are going to get free usage of Lovable to be able to understand, like, how does this thing actually work. If you have registered to Zero to Product, where we're going to talk to product and engineering leaders about what is possible with AI today and how we can accelerate Europe, I'd love to see you all there. It's at 3:30 here in CP2. With that, I'd just want to thank you so much for listening, and I'm so excited to see what people build with our product and get more people to ship faster. Thank you so much.